Hey everybody, it's Fun with Tab, and today we're going to learn the long E and the short E sound. But we're going to do it by doing some exercise. Okay? We're going to do some exercise today because we have some body parts that have the long E and the short E sound. Can you think of some body parts that have the long E and the short E sound? Right, knee. The long E in knee has the long E sound. Knee. Remember, the long E sounds like saying the letter E, as in knee. Is there another body part that you can think of that have the long E sound? Teeth. Teeth has the long E sound. Very good. Good job. Can you think of another body part that has the long E sound? E. Feet. Our feet has a long E sound. Very good. Now, can you think of another body part that has a long E sound? Boy, you guys are smart. Ear. Very good. Ear has a long E sound. So now we know our body parts that have the long E sound. Now we're going to learn some body parts that have the soft E sound. The soft E sounds like eh. Can you say eh? Great. Can you say eh, 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 eh? Oh, you guys are so smart. So now let's think of some body parts that have the short E sound. Eh. Let me think. Oh, you figured it out. Head. Head has a short E sound. Head. Very good. Can you think of another body part that has a short E sound? Let me think. Oh, you figured it out again. Elbow. Elbow has a short E sound. Eh. Elbow. Let me see. There might be another one that has a short E sound. Oh, you guys catching on to all my clues. Yes, leg. All right. Now, how many legs do we have? We have 2 legs, don't we? Great job. But you know, some people only have 1 leg. Some people have no legs. But it doesn't matter if they only have 1 or no legs. We still show them love, kindness, and respect. Very good. So now we're getting ready to do some exercises that have the long E and the short E sound. So you're going to have to get up. Mom, Dad, parents, let's all get physically shaped because we're getting ready to do our long E and short E exercises. All right? All right. Now before we do any exercise, we gotta warm up our bodies. So we're just gonna go side by side. All right. Warming up our bodies. That's very important. We can't do our exercise until we warm it up. Yep. Hey, hey! Fun with Tab is here. All right, we're getting ready to do our little exercises now. We're going to do our first long E exercise, our knee lifts. We're going to do it 10 times. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Now we're going to go side by side. All right, very good. You're doing great. Now we're going to do our next long E exercise. We're going to stand on our tiptoes with our feet. Ready? Go. We're going to do it to 10. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's go back to this. All right, you're doing great. Now you're applying your long E with your body parts. So you'll never get long E because you use your body parts every single day. All right, now we're going to do our short E exercises. All right, we're going to do our short E exercises. So now we're going to use our elbow. All right, we're going to do some elbows. Ready? We're going to do 10. Ready to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. We'll always go back to this. All right, good job. You're doing great. All right. All right, feeling good. Feeling good. Getting exercise. Staying alive. Doing exercise. We're staying alive. All right, so now we're going to do our next short E exercise with our legs. We're going to do some leg lifts. All right? All right, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so we're going to go back to this. Good job. Good job. Yeah, we're having a party over here. All right. Now we're going to do a little dance. We're going to do a little intervention dance. Because now we're getting ready to do the cool down. All right. So when the cool down comes, we're going to get our body back to calming down. All right. So when we calm down, the music's going to stop. All right. So we're going to take our elbow. We're going to do it like this. All right. Very good. Now we're going to take the other elbow. Do it like this. All right, great job. Today, we had fun learning the long E and the short E because we actually have body parts that have the long E and the short E sound. Knee, very good. The knee has a long E sound. Our feet has a long E sound. Can you think of another body part that has the short E sound? Yes, our elbow. Great job. You guys catch on very quick. Leg. Very good. So, I hope you had fun today because Fun with Tab really had fun today, and I hope you had fun too. If you liked today's episode, hit that subscribe button. Okay?